सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on Sunday 28 June 2020. Now you are here the news from Preeti Bhosle. The number of infected patients of COVID-19 in the country has increased the number by 5,28,859 and recover cases of 3,09,713. In Maharashtra, total COVID cases are 1,59,133 and recover cases are 84,245. In Delhi, 80,188 total cases. Recovery cases are 49,301. In Tamil Nadu, 78,335 and recover cases are 44,094. In Gujarat, total cases are COVID-19 13,709 and recover cases are 22,409. In Uttar Pradesh, total cases are 21,549 and recovery cases are 14,215. In Rajasthan, total cases are 16,214 and recover cases are 13,367. In Haryana, 13,427 total cases and recover cases are 8,472. In Madhya Pradesh, total COVID number are 12,965 and recover cases are 9,971. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that world has noticed India's commitment and might even it comes to the safeguarding its sovereignty and the territorial integrity. He said those who cast an evil eye on the Indian soil in Ladakh have got a benefiting response. Sharing his thoughts through the Mann Ki Baat program today, Mr. Modi said India an honor to the spirit of friendship and it is also capable for the giving the appropriate response to any advisory. The Prime Minister stated that our brave soldiers have the proven that they will be not anyone cast to evil eye on the glory and honor of Mother India. He called for the enhancing the country's capability and the capacity in the safeguarding the borders. The Prime Minister said the self-reliant and the Indian would be the tribute to the matriots in the trusts and deepest sense. Mr. Modi underlined the importance of defense sector and the preparedness. He said after the independence we should have made effort to in the defense sector taking advantage of the proper experience, but we did not. The Prime Minister told that today in the field of the defense technology India is taking strides toward the self-reliance. He said no mission can be successful the achieved without the people participating. He urged the citizen to strive for the self-reliant and Indian will be there the collective resolve, commitment and support. Mr. Modi said when the people buy local become a vocal. For local they play a role in strengthening the country. He added that this to its own way it is the survive to the nation. He also said Indians the slums resolve the safeguard its honor and the sovereignty and emphasize upon the Indians' aim as a self-reliant nation and the tradition of the trust and the friendship. The spirit of the brotherhood, he said the country shall be keeping moving ahead and upbuilding this principle. He remembered the people that the country has moved out of the lockdown phase to unlock phase of the corona crisis. He said during the unlock parade, one will be have the focus deeply on 2 points: defecting the corona and thus strengthening the economy and the blustering it. And he told that during the unlock parade, the people have to say the more vigilant and the compared to the lockdown parade, and only their nest can be save them from the corona. He said during the corona pandemic, people have to protect themselves from the different diseases, and also suggests to keep using the Ayurvedic medicine, herbal detoxion and hot water to stay healthy. He said during the unlock phase, many other things are getting unlocked, which heading the Patriot and the Stacker and country has decades. He said the year is a mining sector, space agriculture where is and the state of lockdown. Now the decision taken by the government has the unstackered and the bottlenecks of giving the boost to the sector. He referred to the commercial auction in the mining, opening up the space sector and reform the agriculture toward the self-reliant and Indian with the advancement and of the technology. Mr. Modi said there is a many such sector in which the admits for the crisis and country is opening up the new avenue of the development through the historical decision. Citing an article, the Prime Minister said during the corona pandemic, the demand of spice, including the ginger, turmeric, and other spices, has increased not only the Asia but also the America. He said the entire world has focused to increasing their immunity at this time, and this immunity enhancing the ingredients are the link with the India. He said we should be able to communicate about it is easy and simple language to the people across the global for the healthier planet. Mr. Modi said monsoon has now reached large part of the country and the meteorologists are very enthusiastic about the rain are the full of hope. He said if the rain are the bountiful and farmer will be reap a bumper harvest and the environment will also be green. Mr. Modi urged the people to practice rainwater harvesting in a big way to protect the environment. He mentioned about the octogenarian, the farmer, the Komigoda of the Mandavali, Karnataka, who is built new ponds in his area. He said till now the Komigoda has a dug of the 16 ponds through his hard work. Mr. Modi also mentioned about the Vadodara, where the district administration and the local residents together organized the rainwater harvesting in the 1000 school. And the Prime Minister also urged the people to mark the eco-friendly Ganesh statues and during the Ganesh Chaturthi. Taking about the traditional games like Pachisi, Moksha and the Padma Gutta, Mr. Modi requested to grandparents and the elders of the houses to pass on these games to the new generation. He said in the order to strike a balance with the advent online gaming and must do so for the sake and of the children. Mr. Modi called upon the people to present the traditional indoor games of the India in a new and attractive avatar. The Prime Minister said people have to remember that the Indian sports are also the local and we also already pledged to the vocal for local. Mr. Modi homage to the former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, whose birth centenary year being today. He said the former Prime Minister led to the country through the critical phase. Mr. Narendra Modi today in his Mann Ki Baat program mentioned about the unique water harvesting initiative in the school in the Vadodara, speaking on in his video conferencing in principle of the Sayaji Pura Prime Minister School in the Vadodara, Mr. Himanshu Bhai said the water harvesting initiative is the visionary program and the beneficial for the future generation. He said in the terrace of the new building of the school, rainwater harvests collect and through the pipe and the filter tank. It goes to the 150 feet borewell. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said that today the 19,906 new cases of the COVID-19 has been reported in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of the cases the 5,28,859. These are the highest spikes for the fresh cases since the outbreak of the pandemic in India. In a single day, the 410 deaths have been also be reported, taking the national wild toll to the 16,095. Presently, the number of active cases in a country is 2,03,051. Meanwhile, India Council of the Medical Research (ICMR) said that a record 2,31,095 tests of the 95 tests of the coronavirus sample were be conducted by the various laboratories in the country in last 24 hours. This is the highest number of the tests conducted by the laboratories in the country since the outbreak of the COVID-19 in India. So far, 82,27,802 tests have been conducted. ICMR continuously scaling up its testing facility for the COVID-19 by the giving the approval and the government and the private laboratories. As of now, the total 1,036 laboratories across the India have been given the approval to conduct the test. In the include the 749 government laboratories and 287 private laboratories chains. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has appealed to the countrymen to protect the lives and livelihood in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. In the Facebook post today, the Naidu said that the most of the countries have ended the lockdown and have started focusing on the economy. He said that the government is taking the continuous measures to give the boost to the economic and asked everyone to support the government by taking necessary precaution and following the guidelines. He advised the people to not press the panic button but reach out from the prevention and protection button. He said use the face masks, practicing safe distancing and the wash hands frequently is the only new ways to stay safe. You were listening the national level audio bulletin from the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 28 June Sunday 2020. We will take this bulletin again for the 29 Monday 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. We will present again. Till then, goodbye.